Wallhack lets you see through walls. Whoa, mind blown, unbelievable. Hello everyone, it's me, GameJacker from HackerBot.net, and today we're going to be talking about the Wallhack, also known as the ESP or Extrasensory Perception Hackerino or Jackerino, as I like to call them. So, what do they do? Well, you will be extremely surprised to learn that the Wallhack lets you see through walls. Whoa, mind blown, unbelievable. I could have never thought. The name implies so many things, but that's the last thing I would have expected. Anyways, guys, sorry about the silliness. Of course, Wallhacks let you see through walls, and it's pretty nice, you know. Would be a nice thing to have in real life. I don't know why, but, you know, it would be useful maybe. I don't know. Maybe you can see how much money is in your wallet without actually, you know, having to, or whatever. I don't know. Maybe other things. Maybe you have a dirty mind. Who knows? Anyways, so Wallhacks and radar hacks, being, of course, just the 2D version of Wallhacks, are extremely useful. And let me tell you the greatest thing about Wallhacks right now. The greatest thing about Wallhacks, as opposed to aimbots, for example, which I don't hate on aimbots. I don't hate them. It's just they're not very fun, you know? You just simply hold down a button, you automatically aim, shoot, aim, shoot, aim, shoot, aim, shoot, and it's like, it's an idle game at that point. An aimbot turns a shooter that is supposed to be about fast-paced action, skill, you know, outflanking, finding ways to get kills, into an idle game, where you just hold down one button, and it's like, kill, 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 people report you, and you get banned! Great! That's how you know you're using an aimbot, if you get banned. Anyways, so that's just a little bit of a rant. So that's why I think Wallhacks are just objectively superior to aimbots. Not because they give you more kills and let you farm more stuff, but because they are more fun to use. You don't get banned as often because it's not so obvious to notice for other players. And you actually get to play the game, and you get to actually still retain a little bit of a skill in your game, you know? You still have to aim, you still have to shoot yourself, you still have to keep yourself alive somehow, while the aimbot does everything for you. So, Wallhacks are a lot more fun. If you're gonna use an aimbot, for example, you're gonna probably just unlock everything and stop playing after 2 days. And if you're using a Wallhack, it's still fun, you're still... You know, it turns you not into a god, but it turns you into a very good player, basically, if you're using it correctly. Of course, if you have some kind of handicap or you're just really, really bad with, like, motor skills, you're still gonna suck. But it's gonna make you a lot better than if you didn't have a Wallhack. So, that's the great thing about Wallhacks, is they're still fun, you get banned less, they're more fun to use, you still feel like you achieved something, and unless you've never lost that feeling of achievement, you don't know how important it is to actually enjoy games. Anyways, that's just my little rant, having used aimbots and Wallhacks separately and together and everything. And I recommend Wallhacks over aimbots, I think, TLDR of this whole conversation. But let's get to the juicy bit. So how do you actually get a Wallhack? So Wallhacks, as opposed to aimbots, they can sometimes be found as free downloads. Such as this, for example. This is a cam hack. It basically just places overlays over all players and lets you see them through walls. These are very often found for free in mods and mod menus and on free cheats on PC. The way I, of course, recommend you find them is through HackerBot.net, where we make sure that we only show you cheats from legitimate providers that are clean and providing good quality software. The way you find cheats on HackerBot.net is just simply Google HackerBot or GameHacks, go to HackerBot.net, go to our download cheats section, and follow the guide outlined there. So, for example, if you want to find a Wallhack, let's say for PUBG Mobile, you would enter PUBG Mobile 17.0, and let's say Wallhacks, and you will find scripts, Lua scripts, for example, or mods. Let's just get rid of the Wallhacks thing. There are mods for no recoil, no spread. Here's the thing. There are free aimbots or cams. Let's just enter cam. Or ESP actually. ESP. Let's see if we find something for ESP. Ah, there you go. ESP. So, there are a few keywords you want to remember. ESP, wallhack, or cam. And the way you spell cam is cam, like this. It's like camouflage. It's basically the overlay thing I showed you before. Those are the things you're going to want to look for when you're looking for a wallhack on hackerbot.net. So, ESP, wallhack, or cam. Very important to note. These are the different terms used for this kind of cheat. Do make sure that you follow the installation instructions correctly. On PC, it's probably going to be a lot easier than, for example, on Android or iOS, as you will often need a rooted device. If you're on Android or iOS, I recommend go to Android, get an emulator, and you'll be able to root it in 2 seconds, which will save you a lot of trouble. Play the game there, and you will stay a lot safer. Make a secondary account to test the cheat before you actually use it on your main account. That's also very important, just in case that the cheat that you're downloading is somehow detected or outdated. If you get automatically banned, no harm done. Just log into your main account and you can play again, and you haven't lost your actual progress in the game. So, always important to stay safe, guys. Anyways, guys, I hope this video helps. If you're looking for legitimate cheats, including Wallhacks, go to hackerbot.net, Google hackerbot, and you'll find everything you need. If you want to go over the basics of game hacking, go to our Learn Cheating section, where you'll find all of the basic knowledge you'll need to cheat in your video games. For example, the fake hacks. So all the generators, of course, are fake. This is all explained here. The basic game hack guide, also very recommended. You don't have to read any articles. I've made videos for you guys about everything, including the Wallhackerinos. Anyways, guys, have fun jacking the games. Leave the video a like if you've learned anything. If you want more of this content and of this ugly face, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Game Jacker out!